Hey everyone, welcome back to Science Research Videos, where we dive into how tech is changing our world one innovation at a time. Today we're talking about dentistry. Yeah, that trip to the dentist that used to feel like a chore? It's getting a major upgrade thanks to cutting-edge tech. From digital X-rays to 3D printing, these tools are making treatments faster, safer, and more affordable, especially for folks who might not have easy access to care. Stick around as we break it down from a public health angle, and I'll back it up with solid references. Let's jump in. First up, diagnosis just got a glow up. Gone are the days of waiting for film X-rays to develop. Those exposed you to more radiation and took forever. Now, digital X-rays use sensors to snap images instantly on a computer screen. It's quicker, safer, and cuts radiation exposure big time. This isn't just convenient. It's a game changer for public health, making checkups more efficient for everyone. Moving to impressions, remember those gooey molds that made you gag? Digital impressions with intraoral scanners are here to save the day. They scan your mouth in seconds for super accurate results, no mess involved. That means fewer redo appointments and way more comfort. In fact, a study comparing 4 top scanners for full arch implant work showed they're incredibly precise. Now let's talk 3D printing. It's straight out of sci-fi, but it's real in dentistry. Dentists can print custom crowns, bridges, and prosthetics from detailed tooth models. This slashes production time and costs, making high-quality care more affordable, even in underserved areas. Research highlights how it boosts efficiency and cuts expenses. Imagine getting a perfect fit crown in one visit instead of weeks. Tech like this is democratizing dental health. But it's not just about patients. Education is evolving too. Dental schools are using simulations and tech in training, letting students practice safely without risking real people. This hands-on prep leads to better pros and top-notch care down the line. On the treatment side, lasers are making procedures less scary. They zap decay, reshape gums, or handle root canals with minimal bleeding and pain way less invasive than old tools. And for planning? Facial scanners like the Vectra system use 3D imaging to map your face and mouth, simulating outcomes for custom plans. Align them with CBCT and intraoral scans, and you've got ultra-precise treatments that boost outcomes and satisfaction. Overall, these techs mean safer, more effective care and better smiles for all. So there you have it. Tech is transforming dentistry into something more accessible, efficient, and patient-friendly. As it keeps advancing, staying updated is key for pros and patients alike. If you've tried any of this tech, drop a comment below. Hit like if you learned something, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and check the description for full references.